Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for in-depth reviews of the latest gear. Today, we're diving into the world of camping stoves with a close look at the Soto WindMaster. If you're all about lightweight travel and efficient outdoor cooking, this one might just be your new adventure companion. Let's jump right into the details. Today, we're talking about the Soto WindMaster, a camping stove that's small in size but big on performance. If you're into backpacking, bikepacking, climbing, or any outdoor activity where traveling light is key, this stove deserves your attention. Whether you're battling harsh winds, cooking on the side of a mountain, or simply enjoying a day outdoors, the WindMaster promises to handle your cooking needs efficiently and quietly. Japanese brand Soto has crafted a masterpiece in functional design with the WindMaster. Despite its deceptively small appearance, this camping stove is a powerhouse when it comes to outdoor cooking. It's designed for weight-conscious adventurers who need a compact cooking solution that doesn't compromise on performance. The WindMaster comes at a reasonable price and shines even in challenging weather conditions. Its micro-regulator ensures a consistent heat output, regardless of wind or cold temperatures. Lighting it up is a breeze with the piezo ignition system. But don't let its simplicity fool you, this stove has a lot to offer under the hood. When put to the test, the WindMaster proves its worth. It's not just about boiling water quickly for a cup of tea or rehydrating meals. Thanks to its adjustable flame control knob, you can achieve precise heat levels for simmering and frying more complex dishes. This versatility sets it apart from other stoves, making it a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. Taking a closer look at its design, the WindMaster impresses with its thoughtful construction. The threaded valve attaches to common butane-propane canisters, widely available in outdoor stores and supermarkets. The flip-down lever releases the gas, and the piezo ignition does the rest. Its concave burner head acts as a windshield, maximizing efficiency. You'll also find a 4-flex pot support included, offering stability for your pans or kettles. For those aiming to shed a few grams, there's an optional tri-flex pot support available. While it's unfortunate that this accessory is no longer included, it does contribute to reducing the overall weight of the unit. The stove and its pot support fit snugly in a soft carry pouch, providing protection and easy storage. I've had the pleasure of testing the WindMaster in various outdoor scenarios, from day hikes to backpacking trips. It's an ideal companion for both quick brews and full meals. The WindMaster's rapid water boiling ability is slightly slower than some alternatives, but its real strength lies in its broader capabilities. Unlike others that specialize in speed, this stove offers a wide range of cooking options. Summing it up, the Soto WindMaster is a camping stove that excels in performance and versatility, all wrapped up in a compact and lightweight package. Its ability to handle windy conditions and its precision in cooking different dishes make it a top contender in the camping stove arena. While it doesn't come with its own cooking pot, its compatibility with a variety of pots and pans more than makes up for it. So, if you're on the lookout for a reliable and efficient camping stove that won't weigh you down, the Soto WindMaster is definitely worth considering. And there you have it, our in-depth review of this impressive outdoor cooking companion. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more gear insights. Thanks for tuning in, and happy outdoor adventures!